Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Arion Zhane here on Arion Zhane's World. Now today I have a brand new video for you guys where I will be cooking something pretty exciting. So today we'll be making some delicious brownies, and I got this recipe from allrecipes.com, and this is a homemade brownie recipe, so I'm really excited to try it and tell you guys what I think about it. And yeah, so if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. All right, let's get right into the cooking video. All right, y'all, before we even think about baking these brownies, we have to preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Super easy. Next, we're going to spray our deep 9 by 13 inch rectangular pan with some baking spray. You don't want your brownies sticking to the pan. All right, now let's get cooking. Let's take a look at the ingredients that we need for our brownies. Sugar, my fave. Butter, my second fave. Water, we're not using the water bottle, I just have that there. Some semi-sweet chocolate chip morsels. 4 room temperature eggs. Some vanilla flavoring. Flour, baking soda, salt, and pecan pieces, which is optional. You do not have to have pecan pieces. It's okay. And lastly, you'll need a medium saucepan, a wooden spoon, some measuring cups, and some measuring spoons. All right, let's finally get into the baking. All right, step 1. Measure out 1 cup of white sugar and pour it into your medium saucepan. Step 2. Pour 4 tablespoons of water into your saucepan, reminding you I'm not using the bottled water. And step 3, cut out 4 tablespoons of butter and place it in the saucepan. Now once you have done that, cook over medium heat until your concoction starts boiling. Oh yeah, it started to boil. All right, let's get into step number 4. Alright, now you're going to remove the saucepan from heat and pour in 3 cups of your semi-sweet chocolate chip morsels. Now you should move a little quicker than me because it's hard to mix. And then once you've poured in your 3 cups, quickly start mixing the chocolate batter. Now once it looks pretty smooth and chocolatey, go ahead and pour in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and crack your 4 eggs. Now be sure not to get any shells in your batter. You don't want that in there at all. Now we're working with chocolate, and you know chocolate gets really difficult, so as soon as you put in that egg, make sure you stir it really well. It gets kind of hard, as you can tell, but you just have to stay committed to it and it'll look good in the end, I promise. After it's mixed together really well, go ahead and pour in 1 1/3 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. And stir it really well until all you see is chocolate. And if you're a person who likes nuts, here's your favorite part. Pour in like half a cup of pecans or walnuts into your brownie batter and stir well. And I'm not saying like you have to do half a cup, you could do way more than that. I just decided to use half a cup. And after you've stirred to your satisfaction, spread your brownie batter into your well-greased pan. Ooh, y'all, look at that. Ooh, it looks so good. And if you really like pecans, go ahead and be like me and sprinkle them on top too. I just think it looks nice and it makes it taste even better. After that, go ahead and put your brownies in the oven, set your timer for 25 minutes, and then let your brownies cook, girl. Brownies are so weird that sometimes they cook longer, so you really have to go back and check on it once it gets to like 20 minutes and keep checking on it. And then once you know they're ready, you put them with some vanilla ice cream, y'all, and y'all have the best brownies in the world.